Hello and welcome to my Pentart Playbook series. I'm Shannon from Pick and Booze Vintage, and what I'm going to do is each month I'm going to show you a different set of Pentart products and describe how to use them. Pentart Glitter Paste. Pentart Glitter Paste. What is it? Well, it's a thick, water-based decorative paste that is full of glitter particles. It adds dimension, sparkle, and will transform your craft furniture or mixed media projects. It comes in a wide range of colors, including a transparent version. When to use it? When you want to add stunning dimension or sparkle, anything that needs glitter or just any sparkle or shimmer. So how do you use it? Well, you simply stir it well. Make sure you're mixing up all the little glitter particles. Then you're going to apply it with either a palette knife, a stencil, or with a brush. Let it dry completely. Some pro tips. It can be painted over decoupage surfaces for extra shimmer. You can obviously run it through a stencil to get some beautiful raised shimmer details. For a soft faded look, if you blend the edges a little bit with a damp brush, it'll make it look a little bit more faded on the edge. And there is no need to seal the glitter paste.